Hello friend, today I'm going to share how to do the ID carrier or a coins carrier. I knit this one. I crochet first and then I knitted and I put this clip. You can clip it to your belt or your pants, and I did try it and it turns it good. Oh, I forgot to cut this. You can put some materials on it, a lining if you want, but I just don't want it because I don't carry a lot of purse. I always carry my like a men's wallet or a small pocket like this, but I just try to do. So I have scissors, I have needles, I have markers, crochet. This is 4 to 5 millimeter. Then I use knock hook 4 millimeter, and I got the hook. Let's begin. I do the two colors, okay? So I do the yellow first, or green. Slip knot, chain 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All the way, or you could use the bump in the back, but I just use this one here. And I did try to make some for the mask, the round one. And I like this one because I put my ID on it, and when I go to the grocery store I don't carry a purse unless we go to the hospital, because my husband's phone I have to put it, and his cigarette and lighter, my purse. Okay, single, then I increase one here and turn around here, continue, single crochet, and maybe just only like a 1/4 or enough to form the bottom. I think I did that. There's one in here, in this corner, one increase, and all the way single crochet. I think I did 1, 2, 3, 4 before I put the next color. You can put a lining also, or put a bottom one, so it's easy for me. whichever you prepare. Okay, I only increase one and then continue the bottom. I just don't have the pattern. Increase one, and then I use the knook hook, and it's all around until 21 row. See, that way. See, this is the bottom one. One more. This is a simple pouch, crochet and a knit. See, I don't have to put increase no more because it's already formed. Should grab two in there. There. That's a double crochet. Now single crochet only. And in the next color I have to add it the next. I think everybody knows because there's a lot of tutorial for knocking, so probably you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm too tight when I crochet. I have to change the knock hook. This is 4 to 5 millimeter, and this is 4 millimeter. Then dead. The next color. Just tie it like that so it won't. This I have one round yellow, then the next round is green, then the next round is yellow, this is very easy to do. I have to buy some not the bamboo, because the bamboo is like too much, and I can make my own, tape it. Okay, I almost there. There you go. Then I'll grab my green. Start in here. Okay. Now I grab the yellow again. So this is only, let me finish this yellow and I can show it to you. I like the way to do this. Even in I like this one than the Tunisian, because every time I do Tunisian, I just don't know how. I'm just practicing Tunisian, not to be curved. Maybe the way I hold, because I hold it too tight. There, I have to pull this yarn. That's why I put it along, so I can see. And you have to tuck that in when you're finished. Like that. And you have to do this 21 row. I have here, see, I crochet here for the lid, and I put some button on it, and put the materials on it if you want. You do the 21 row for those knocking, then I'll show you. After the 21 row, you have to crochet over here, and I crochet this one right here for the lid, for the pocket. Either way, which way do you? This is too tight. You hook in there. There's my pouch, and next time I have to make my own knocking, like I did socks. See, I started 16 also in this. This is my heel, and see, I made this because I have the small yarn, and this is only like 2.25 millimeter, like that. Yeah, I'm learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please leave a comment if you like. If you don't like, just leave a comment. Thank you.